Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Welcome back. Love you guys. Mwah. So in this video, I would like to share a Bath and Body Works Easter haul with you. I've got some of the new body care that came out, and I'm so excited. Now, I left the store and I get home and see that I have coupons, and look at the packaging on that. Isn't it adorable? I love the yellow. I love yellow. It's so happy and bright, like summertime. So free gift up to $7.50 and a 20% off your entire purchase. I love that coupon because when you use it with the buy three get three, such an incredible sale, right, you guys? So for this haul, I actually took advantage of the buy two get one, and I got the Sweet Bunny Berry body care line. It comes with a fine fragrance mist. Travel size is all my store had, and that's purple. And the shower gel is this beautiful teal color, and then the body cream is pink, and it is just so adorable. I love pastels, perfect for spring. So the scent notes for Sweet Bunny Berry are sparkling raspberries, candied petals, and crystallized sugar. So really, really excited to try this. I haven't tried it yet. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, that's nice. It's like a confectionery sugar scent, like cotton candy. But it smells like something. Oh, you know what this smells like, you guys? Peeps. You know that marshmallow candy? The little, what are they? Ducks? Are they ducks? The little Peep marshmallow. They come in pink, yellow, blue, purple. This smells like Peeps. Oh my gosh. How did they do that? Oh, that's taking me straight back to childhood. I haven't had Peeps in decades, but oh my gosh. That smells like Peeps, you guys. I love that. Okay, so I'm loving this. Can't wait to use it. I'm going to use it today. And then I picked up Buttercream Cupcake. Some Bunny Loves You in the hand sanitizer. Isn't that cute? Buttercream Cupcake. Okay, so. Ooh, that's good. That smells like a vanilla buttercream frosting. Oh, I should have gotten more of these. I only got two because I have a ridiculous amount of hand sanitizer. Like, in all types of packaging. Like, not even joking, but. Ooh, I really like this. So that is Buttercream Cupcake. And then I got some hand soaps. I got Sweet Bunny Berry in hand soap. Adorable, beautiful teal color. Let me smell this. Yep, Peeps. Oh my gosh. You guys comment and let me know if you agree with me on that. Because I haven't watched anybody's videos on the Sweet Bunny Berry, but that smells like Peeps. And then I picked up more of the What's Shakin. I took advantage of the 6 for 26. But I love this, you guys. This is ice cream, chocolate fudge, and cookie bits. And I've been using mine, and I love it. I mean, to me, this smells like cookies and cream ice cream, and it's very, very strong. Like, after you wash your hands, you can smell it on your hands. But if I read the reviews online on bathandbodyworks.com, and people are trashing this, saying it's horrible, it smells like old lady perfume, and they don't smell chocolate. And I'm like, I don't know what they're smelling, but this smells like cookies and cream ice cream to me. I get the vanilla, I get the chocolate note, and there is a perfumey note to it, but so I actually picked up 4 of these because freaking love this so much. I love it. But, I mean, I get the chocolate and everything. I mean, it does smell perfumey somehow. I don't know how Bath and Body Works does it, but it's fun. It's delicious. And I really, really like this. Plus, the packaging is so cute. A pink milkshake. Oh my gosh. Love that. So I got 4 of those. And then I also got the Treat Yourself Blueberry Glazed Donut. I'm loving the hand soap packaging, you guys. So adorable. Blueberry glaze, fresh baked donuts, and sprinkles. This smells like the Blueberry Crumble hand soap. Yeah, that smells like Blueberry Crumble. I think it's Blueberry Crumble. The one that came out in the fall, it's like dark blue packaging. This smells identical. But this is Blueberry Glazed Donut, but it smells like Blueberry Crumble. So if you like that one, then you would like this. So glad I got that because I love blueberry. And then I got a Hop Hooray hand soap. Sprinkled donut. Sorry. Buttercream, milk, and sweet vanilla. That sounds delicious. So let's see. Ooh, yeah, I really like this. Very heavy on the vanilla. Ooh, yeah. Very heavy on the vanilla and buttercream. That's yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So that is what I have for this haul. I'm going to have to get more of this because you guys, if you want to smell like Peeps, get some of this. It's delicious. But I love scents like that, like confectionery, sugary, sweet, cotton candy, marshmallow. I love scents like that, so that's right up my alley. So glad I picked that up. I have to get some more. So please comment and let me know what you've been able to pick up and what you think about these items. I'm loving this whole Easter lineup. So good. But please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.